Someone has to collect the vendor's details. Someone else has to verify them. Legal needs to sign off. Finance has to approve the bank details. And in between each step, someone is always having to follow up. This is how procurement runs at most companies. No central place for vendor data and no visibility into where an approval is stuck. The process runs on people chasing people, and that's a fragile way to run an important process. A vendor database app that handles onboarding, evaluation, and approvals. All you do is type this into Zia, Zoho's AI assistant. The app starts taking shape instantly. On the backend, Zia sets up the data models, form logic, approval routing, workflow triggers, and access controls, all structured around your procurement process. The heavy lifting is done for you. You just have to configure it to match your business. Here's what the finished prototype looks like. Vendors fill out a smart onboarding form, name, address, bank details, tax IDs, with fields that show, hide, and validate automatically. Submitted records then move through a multi-stage approval matrix, routed to procurement, finance, legal, or HR, based on where the vendor is in the process. Workflows run in the background, flagging expired insurance, handling bank updates, sending reminders, even managing out-of-office scenarios. Each vendor gets a scorecard, tracked on delivery, quality, cost, and service level agreement, SLA compliance, with a full comment history your team can contribute to. Access is role-based, so procurement managers, finance executives, and vendors themselves each see only what's relevant to them. Want to build this yourself? The prompt is in the description below. Just copy it, drop it into Zoho Creator, and you're off. And if this was helpful, follow us. There's a lot more coming in this series.